In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Cloud account. By the end, you'll have a brand new Google Cloud account ready to explore services, set up projects, and start building. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type Google Cloud Console. This is the quickest way to get to the official console. In the results, look for the listing that says Cloud Management Console, Google Cloud, and click it. Always make sure you're on an official Google domain before you proceed. On the welcome page, select Get Started for free. You'll sign in with your Google account here. When prompted, enter the email address you want to use for Google Cloud, then click Next. On the following screen, type your password and click Next again. You may be asked to verify your identity for security. Just follow the on-screen prompts if that appears. Next, choose your country from the drop-down. Take a moment to review the terms, then check the box to agree and click Continue. The country you select can affect things like currency and available features, so pick the location that matches your business or personal use. You'll now add your profile information. Start by selecting your profile type, such as individual or business. Enter your organization name if applicable, your legal name, and your street address. Be sure these details match your official records to avoid issues later with billing or verification. Accurate information here helps prevent interruptions when you start using services. If you have an apartment or suite number, you can add it, though that field may be optional. Then fill in your city and postal code and choose your province or state from the list. Double check these entries for typos. Correct location details ensure invoices and account notices are formatted properly and delivered to the right place. When everything looks good, click Save. Finally, click Start Free to activate your account. That's it. Your Google Cloud account setup is complete. You may see information about free credits or verification. Just follow the guidance provided on screen. After activation, you'll land in the console where you can explore dashboards, view services, and familiarize yourself with the interface. If you ever need to adjust your profile or address details, you can do that later in your account settings. For now, you're ready to navigate the console and prepare for your first project. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Google Cloud.